Like I said, I'll be back in an hour. Look at the difference an hour makes. Huge difference. You're freezing?
My back hurts.
From what?
I'm cold. Why? The seam?
The seam?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, well, the water's cold, right? I don't know. I was worried about the water. No. My back hurts.
That's funny too, because my coccyx finally started feeling good. So, we're about to ruin it.
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah, Kayla lied. It's not that fast. Oh, now it's getting fast. Alrighty then. Yep. Yep. I only ran around once. Once. Yeah. Hold on, let me go down there. I'm gonna go down there, you dump it on me. I'm gonna go down there, you dump it on me. Ready? Go. Yeah, that kind of hurt. Yeah, it hits kind of hard. Like, it's got some impact. Right? It definitely got some impact. I want the big bucket to fall.
Me too.
Here it comes. Your butt, it flattens your butt out. Wait, you see in the video the way your butt looks. She's holding it. It goes all the way out?
Yeah.
Kayla's holding it, it fills all the way to the top. Let it go. Oh. Now you know why they don't fill it up all the way. See what's going on the what? Why do I keep doing that? What's going on? Oh look, you know what? I didn't see if they the moments did they is it pending or did they approve it? Oh, they approved it. They're gonna show them on the screen outside too. So it's been approved.
They have
Let's
Trivial
give it a like.
Pursuit.
I'm liking my own photos.
Huh?
I suck at Trivial Pursuit. But we can play if you guys want. I'm horrible.
Oh, my glasses are broken somewhere.
What's happening? There's a thing that says what's happening now. We should have tried the $2,000 yacht bingo.
Because we got 3 cards.
Yeah, and not even that. Like there's gonna probably be a lot of people trying to pay the $5,000 one.
Hasbro the game show. Peter Max Expedition. Oh, exhibition. My glasses are foggy. Look, they get salt water all over them. I can't see properly.
What is that?
They have variety violin music with MJ String Trio. Let me tell you something. Them girls are awesome. That's probably one of the best things Carnival has done with the violinist. It's pretty awesome. Country music or whiskey and wine. Punchliner. What time is Punchliner? Oh, 8 o'clock.
What's your job? There's no
show today.
Tonight. You gotta do comedy.
There's no show today.
Like that.
Gender showdown. We ain't doing that again.
What?
Man, the gender showdown. We did that before. Yeah. Turned into an argument over who owns Chrysler. Remember? They said Daimler Chrysler, but they already sold it to Fiat. So.
You're going to the Love and Marriage show.
Nah, I'm not doing Love and Marriage. Who's going to Love and Marriage?
Thomas Garcia.
Oh. Yes.
Well, it just says TG, so I don't know if it's Junior.
We can go watch it.
You want to go watch Love and Marriage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Free deck party fun.
Oh, that's right. Today's the mega deck party. Today's the deck party. Mega deck party. We'll be there.
Be there, be square.
Be there, be square. That's it.